agree for IELTS Speaking Part 1 topic historical events. Question: do you like to learn about history? I have a go at an answer. You like a plethora radius, phrases and lexical resources to cope with this IELTS Speaking Part 1 topic historical events. Please being watch until very end this video without any further ado. Let's rock on the right. Filter and set pose. Just ignore that. Vocabulary: I love nothing more than means yield for saying that someone's hopes and wishes are reasonable. Stupendous means extremely impressive. Right, the timeline back means come all the way back in the beginning of the history. After you see this first question, do you like to learn about history? Answer: definitely yes. I love nothing more than just write the timeline back to the beginning of time ago. So at that time you could observe how the locals lived and behaved with each etc. For me, it will be a stupendous dream if I just do that. So yeah.